Why are there not more people talking about meme stocks? Welcome to our latest market analysis. Let's delve into today's fascinating topic. The stock market is often unpredictable, but certain shares capture the public's imagination intensely. Gamestop and AMC Entertainment are prime examples, often called meme stocks. Their stories involve dramatic price swings and a battle between retail investors and institutions. A short squeeze occurs when a stock price rapidly increases, forcing short sellers to buy it to limit losses. This buying pressure further fuels the price rise. Short interest measures shares sold short, while float is the number of shares available for trading. High short interest in a low float can be explosive. Catalysts are events that can move stock prices, such as company news or market trends. Please subscribe to the channel and like and comment if you enjoy this video. This essay will explore the current situation using data as of today, the 30th of May 2025. GameStop's situation remains noteworthy for investors. As of May 15th, short interest was 49.52 million shares. This was 12.12% of the public float. Trading volume has shown notable spikes. On May 29th, volume was 15.89 million. Increased volume signals heightened investor interest. In pre-market trading today, the price was around $28.85. This was a slight dip from the previous close. The 52-week range shows past volatility. The company's market capitalization is $13.23 billion. There are 447.3 million shares outstanding. These numbers provide context for market movements. A substantial float can absorb some buying pressure. The interplay of these figures is crucial. GameStop remains very active. Recent news items might act as catalysts for GameStop. On the 28th of May, 2025, GameStop made an announcement. The company revealed its first purchase of Bitcoin, signaling a potential strategic shift. It could attract a new class of investors or fuel speculation about business changes. Such moves often lead to increased stock interest. Also on the 28th of May, 2025, GameStop announced its earnings release date soon. Earnings announcements are typically volatile periods for stocks as investors anticipate results and future guidance keenly. Positive surprises could boost the share price upwards, while disappointments might lead to a decline. Market sentiment around GameStop has seen renewed interest. A MarketWatch headline on the 23rd of May 2025 noted GameStop stock is in play again. This implies a shift in perception by some, perhaps indicating that fundamentals are gaining more attention now. Furthermore, technical indicators have shown positive signs. Investors Business Daily reported on GameStop's strength. Its relative strength rating was grinding higher, noted on the 15th of May, 2025. A high relative strength rating indicates strong price performance compared to the broader market over time. This can attract momentum-focused traders and investors. Section 4, AMC Entertainment, Echoes of a Squeeze Candidate? AMC Entertainment also remains a focal point for many. It shares a similar meme stock narrative with GME. Retail investors have shown strong support for AMC. The potential for a short squeeze is often discussed. To assess this, we need current data points. These include short interest and trading volume. Company-specific news also plays a crucial role. As of mid-May 2025, data suggested AMC's short interest remained at a level that kept investors watchful. While this might be lower than GME's peak, it still indicates a notable number of short positions. Any significant buying pressure could challenge these shorts. The company's large float sometimes tempers expectations. Yet retail enthusiasm can be a powerful counter. Recent trading volume for AMC has been variable. There have been days with significant spikes in activity, sometimes reaching well over its typical daily average. Catalysts for AMC could come from various sources. Positive box office news for major film releases helps. Company announcements about debt management are key. Section 5. The retail investor community, a persistent force. The role of retail investors cannot be overstated here. They have been a driving force in these stocks. Communities on platforms like Reddit are influential, particularly subreddits such as r Wall Street Bets. These forums allow for rapid information sharing and the development of collective investment theses. The apes, as they sometimes call themselves, remain committed to their positions in GME and AMC. These communities foster a strong sense of unity. The diamond hands mentality is often promoted. This encourages holding shares despite volatility. The narrative is often one of David versus Goliath, small individual investors taking on large institutions. This emotional aspect fuels continued engagement. They believe in the long-term potential or squeeze and are less swayed by traditional market analysis. Despite such cautions, the collective power is undeniable. Retail investors have shown they can move markets. Their ability to coordinate, even loosely, is significant. Their actions will continue to influence these stocks. Section 6. Navigating the waters, understanding risks and volatility. Investing in stocks like GME and AMC carries risks. Their prices are known for extreme volatility. This means prices can change very rapidly, both upwards and significantly downwards. Such movements can be driven by sentiment rather than purely by company fundamentals. This makes predicting short-term movements very difficult. Investors need to be prepared for this reality. A short squeeze is not a guaranteed event. Even with high short interest, it may not occur. Short sellers might manage to cover positions gradually without causing a dramatic price spike. New shares could be issued by the company, increasing the float and diluting positions. Broader market downturns can also dampen enthusiasm. Many factors can prevent a squeeze from happening. Understanding the mechanics is crucial. If a squeeze does begin, timing is everything. Knowing when to enter or exit is challenging. The peak can be very brief. Those who get in late risk significant losses. A clear strategy is needed before investing. Thorough research is paramount. Section 7. Conclusion. The ongoing saga and essential caution. The stories of GameStop and AMC are still unfolding. As of May 2025, the conditions for squeezes persist. High short interest figures are present, especially for GME. Dedicated retail communities continue their strong support. Recent catalysts add layers of intrigue and potential. The market watches these stocks with bated breath. Volatility remains a constant companion for them. The saga is a testament to market dynamics. The data we have reviewed suggests continued potential. GameStop's Bitcoin venture and upcoming earnings are key. Its elevated short interest is a clear signal. For AMC, cinema industry trends and sentiment matter. Its own short interest levels are also watched. Both stocks benefit from passionate investor bases. These investors are quick to react to news. Their collective actions can influence prices. However, fascination must be tempered with caution. The meme stock phenomenon is complex and risky. Always approach with a clear and level head.